This project is deployed by the same wallet that created WIF. And in case you don't know WIF, WIF is a project that reached a $5 billion market cap on Solana. And as you can see, it's currently trading at a $3 billion market cap, but the price was at the top $5. So it was around 5-6 billion. And currently, the same token that was deployed only 2 days around the WIF is popping up and is currently trading for a market cap of 2 million. So if we reach the 2 billion market cap, we have a 1000x. This is insane. So I want to show you some proof before I start this video about the deployment of WIF, but also of the deployment of COK, and that the team is maybe behind this project. I'm saying maybe, I don't know, but it's crypto, so who knows. But before I tell you more, guys, the Crypto June channel is growing exponentially. We have almost 5,000 subscribers. So if you're here, you like the guy on the screen, and you think, hey, I need to follow this dude, we want to get 5,000 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto June channel. Let's get back into the proof. And this tweet, Solana Bottomon, is one of the founders of WIF, and he's tweeting, everybody wants to know what token I deployed after WIF, a thread. And then we see this guy is commenting, oh my jack. And this seems like a normal guy, but if we look deeper on his Twitter, on the 8th of May, I'm buying a shitcoin on Sol below 10k, and Anon told me it will be alpha COK at a 7k market cap. 7k, and currently we are at a 207k. And in case you think, how many X is this? This is a 29x, guys. A 29x, because the project was dead. Like, as you can see, it launched in 22 of November in 2023, and it was dead. Nobody was paying attention to it, like completely dead. And then out of nowhere on the 8th of May, as you can see here, the same 8th of May, they pushed the project. So what are they doing with this project? If the Wif Hat team is behind it or not, I don't know. But it was deployed at the same moment with the same wallet. Another one, Team WIF, is posting a lot about COK. Here, COK at 753k and you are not buying, lol. COK at 60k. This guy is Team of WIF and is also supporting this project. So what I think is that the guys deployed 2 tokens. One with the dog, one with the cat. And it seems like that Wif Hat was popping off and it gets so popular, they faded the other project. And now Wif Hat is at a certain level and they can get certain hype with the new project COK the Cat. I like it. I like the whole vibe of it. Important to know, guys, COK the Cat is launched, as we can see, on the 22nd of November. But the project died and the CTO relaunched revival on the 8th of May. So they all changed also the topic of the project. So when we click on the original website, we see COK the Cat. But currently it's Cat own Kimono. And these guys have a funny website. Like it's a whole vibe. It's super simple but super funny. Like we can see Cat own Kimono. Cat own Kimono. And this is the website, the new vibe, COK. What are sent it, let's raid, go touch. They're really creating some kind of meme vibe and I like it, And this is what we need. This is exactly what you need. You need big people in the space supporting the project. Out of nowhere, people get FOMO. And then you have a nice website. And this is exactly what is happening right now with COK. So we like the stock, be with us, Cat own Kimono. So this is the correct website. I will put it inside the description because the old website doesn't make sense anymore because there's a whole new vibe around the coin. So that is important to know. But yeah, is it a good buy opportunity right now or not? Yeah, what can I say, guys? We are at the top, and normally I would say don't chase green candles, but we are still super early with a market cap of only 2 million. So I suggest, if I will have $1,000 to invest into this project, I will say that I will invest 400, 500 right now. If we dip, as an example, we get back to this level, I will buy the other 500 because I don't want to miss this opportunity because the big guys are pushing this one. So if we get attention, it's like butts, and then we fly. So we don't want to miss it, but that's the reason I'm not investing all my money in one. So I do 500 here and I will do another 250 or 500 here. And if we get here, yeah, then dollar cost average, of course. But if we are making a new high from here and we have this 500 and we retest the previous high, I will do also the other 500, and with that we get the average price. So this is important to know, guys, about the chart. This is the old website. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's close it down. WIF, like I said, WIF did so much return on investment, like market cap of 3 billion right now, and it was around 6. And we are only currently at the 2 million market cap. And so it's insane. Like, it is insane. Let's check out the Twitter. So what we can see is that the guys revived on the 8th of May. Cat owned Kimono. Big guys, really big guys are posting about it. 41k. Hosting tweets with a guy for 410k. King also 70k. I think they're really gonna push this thing. Also, like I said, Wif Hat team, deployer, crypto, not a community member probably that is supporting, Dave, Wif Hat team member. So all of the guys are well experienced, big accounts, and they're really gonna push this thing, I think. I'm not sure guys, I'm just a random guy on the internet. I also invested myself, so who knows. Always do your own research. And I want to say, guys, I see you in the next video. Bye bye.